The base font. What is the base font? Let me go show you. Click back here to get into settings, and you click all the way back until you get to the options sidebar, and you cannot click back anymore. What we want to do is change the font of Blocksy to Palanquin, which is part of our creatives, Palanquin. And we do that by changing it within typography. Typography is the big word for fonts. Select typography, and there are so many that you can change here. You have headings that you can change, buttons, and you can set all of their sizes and their weights. All I want to do is change the font to Palanquin. If you are going to use one font across your entire site, you don't need to go and change all of these guys. You just change the base font. The base font it's like the fountain. That's where everything is sprouting from. Select the three dots or click here on System Default. I'll start with System Default, and it opens up only the fonts for me to change. And then in the search box, I will type in Palanquin. It gives me the option between Palanquin and Palanquin Dark. We select Palanquin. Before I do that, note how the font currently looks on your page, including the title, including this excerpt, as well as the copyright at the bottom. Everything that is here is going to change the moment I click on Palanquin. And then Blocksy tells me this. Now, a few months ago, we never had this, but many countries, especially in Europe, isn't too keen on you getting free fonts from Google. Palanquin is a free font from Google, and they feel that there are some security risks with it. So we don't need to do that. You simply click on I understand, don't show this notification again, and click on continue. And all the fonts have updated. That means if I just click here, all of these, heading 1, buttons, pull quote, etc., they will now be by default Palanquin. I don't need to go and change all of them one by one. And that's how you change the base font of your website. Click back to go to the options sidebar. Let's save it and have a look then in the next chapter at the footer builder, which is a little bit different than the header builder.